Ganyan mag-chick. Ganyan ang old school mag-chick.
Ano masikip? Pero sobra akong nagbabalik kabataan, I tell you.
Yan ang new era. Doing things even if you're scared.
But I'm really scared, ha? Hindi siya joke. Hello, hi guys. We're going to ride
We're almost
cable
there.
car.
We're going inside.
And I'm not so excited. I just want to get there.
We'll get there. Road to heaven.
Punong-puno, grabe, parang sardina. Uy, sabi mo nakapatong lang siya.
Saan?
Oh,
Oh,
utang kaya.
siguro naman ilang taon na nagaganyan yan. Di ba na namang nangyayari?
Don't say it, don't say
Kaya na...
Yung tuhod ko nanginginig na. Ba't nakatayo kasi tayo lahat? Ba't wala man ang upuan? Huwag kayong magulo, guys. I survived.
Yes, congratulations.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Yabang yan na ngayon. Oh. Nakakatawa na, nakaka-winner-winner na ngayon.